What is happening, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you are new, consider hitting that subscribe button for me. Today I'm talking about the 93 Octane tune from Diablosport and how it helps with drag racing. Now, today I'm talking specifically about the Dodge Challenger SRT8 that I drag race that you've seen in a couple videos on my channel, and how putting the 93 Octane tune on it has changed the car for the better. For those of you who don't know, the car behind me that you're seeing is my personal driver, my daily driver, the 2015 Dodge Challenger RT, but today we're focusing on a different car, the orange Challenger that you've seen in a couple of my videos. That car is a 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8. That has the 6.1 liter Hemi in it. And I just sort of wanted to make a quick short video of how the 93 Octane tune helped that car for drag racing. So to put it in perspective, when we first started drag racing the car, completely bone stock, it was running about 1320s, give or take. On a good day, the car really enjoys the cold weather, so it was on a good day it was probably running a low 1320, maybe a high 13.1. But after we installed the 93 Octane Diablosport tune to it, it was completely bone stock beforehand. After we installed the tune, my best pass out of it was a 1285. Now that is unreal, and it blew me out of the water when I got that pass, and I was totally surprised that it made such a big impact. That car is completely bone stock besides the tune. We also installed a 180 degree thermostat to help keep it cooler, and then we changed the parameters in the tune to make the fans kick on sooner so it can help it keep it cool, instead of like 202 degrees or whatever it used to kick on. But that car from the 93 Octane tune was completely waking up. The car is such a beast. And now when we're driving that, you know, I don't really drive it on the road as much. I pretty much drive it on the racetrack. But from what little I do drive it, that isn't from A to B going down the quarter mile, I notice such a huge difference in power and in torque. Now the 93 Octane tune is roughly good for about 20 horsepower, 20 torque, and it literally woke this car up and made it true to its actual potential. I run about 107 mile an hour in the quarter mile. The thing is nasty. The car runs so much smoother, runs so much cleaner on the cleaner and higher octane boosted fuel. You know, when I'm driving it, you can just hear it popping out the exhaust and everything, which it definitely got louder with the tune, and just an overall performance increase with the Diablosport tuner. I definitely recommend tuning your SRT8 Challenger, especially if you're in a situation like myself. That car is a 2010. So all you have to do is purchase a tuner for like 350 bucks off of Diablosport. I recommend. The one I have is the InTune i3 tuner. Purchase that, you plug it right up to the OBD2 port, and you just install the 93 Octane tune. You don't have to go through anything big like you would if you were driving this one. This one's 2015, you'd have to buy the unlocked PCM, which is like $700 along with the tuner itself. That is not the case when it comes to anything below 2015. So like that orange Challenger I'm talking about is 2010. So we were able to just grab the tuner, hook it right up to the OBD2 port, flash the tune, and away we went. And it was an unreal turnaround, and we woke that car up. So I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys today talking about how the 93 Octane tune can really help with drag racing and really wake up your car and have it show its true and real potential. So if this video was helpful for you guys, hit that subscribe button for me. Check out the other videos I have on my channel. I made a bunch of videos about mods and tuning on the Challenger you see behind me. There's playlists and everything about my journeys tuning and modding this car, so check those out for me. Hit that subscribe button, help me reach my 200 subscriber goal. That would make my day for you to subscribe. Comment down below any questions you have, and I will try to answer them as quickly as I can. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. You take care, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.